Hi there, welcome to another video in the Scriptcase Macros course. So my name is Nate Carpenter, and today we're going to be looking at the SC field read-only macro. So let's go ahead and look at what this macro does. So this macro sets a field to editable or non-editable based on what you want it to do. So you can change it so it grays out the field and doesn't allow the user to edit it. So let's go ahead to the documentation here. Here's the documentation. So you pass through the field and then on or off. So by default, you're going to be turning it off, and then you can turn it on if you want. So the on-off is optional. So here's a couple examples of doing that. So you just pass through the field. Let me go ahead and copy this one, and it does it. So here's all the events that it can be done on. We're going to be doing it on a form. You go ahead and run this so you can see what this form looks like. So it's just 4 fields, and we're going to make this active field uneditable since we don't want the user to be able to edit that. So we're going to go to events and then on load. This is when the form is loading. And let me go ahead and paste this in. And we need to look at that field. So that field name is active right there. So let me type that in, and then this should work. It should disable that field. So let's go ahead and run it here. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to do. So yeah, here it is. So as you can see, this is read only, so you can't edit this, and it just kind of looks like a label here. So that's how you use the SC field read only macro to set a field to read only.